Pre-reading, meet Jacques Cousteau. Jacques Cousteau was an explorer, scientist, photographer, and filmmaker that worked to learn about sea life, teach the world about the sea, and bring awareness to human actions that harm sea life. Think and talk. What do you know about the ocean and the plants and animals that live there? How can humans affect ocean life? I'm going to give you 45 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set a purpose. Jacques grew up passionate about the ocean and filmmaking. Listen to find out how he used these two things to help. So we are going to click here to read this book titled Manfish.